3 fast and effective ways to clean fuel injectors without removing them. Dirty fuel injectors rarely fail all at once. They quietly reduce power, fuel efficiency, and throttle response long before most drivers realize what's happening. The car may still run, but it doesn't feel right. Acceleration feels lazy. Idle becomes uneven. Fuel economy slowly drops. In many cases, the engine computer tries to compensate, masking the issue until the problem becomes impossible to ignore. Before spending money replacing injectors or tearing into the engine, there is an important question that determines everything that follows. Are the injectors actually bad, or are they simply dirty? That distinction matters because many injectors that are assumed to be failing can be restored to proper operation without removing them from the engine. The difference between wasting money and fixing the real problem comes down to using the right method at the right time. Some methods work only for light buildup. Others are far more effective but must be used correctly. One method in particular is what professional shops rely on when basic cleaning fails. By the end of this guide, the correct approach will be clear, and the exact path forward will depend on how severe the injector contamination really is. Why fuel injectors cause so many hidden performance problems. Fuel injectors control how fuel enters the engine. They do not simply deliver fuel, they atomize it into a fine mist and spray it in a precise pattern at exactly the right moment. When that spray pattern is correct, combustion is efficient, power is smooth, emissions stay low, and fuel economy remains stable. Over time, injectors are exposed to heat, pressure, and fuel byproducts. Carbon, varnish, and microscopic deposits gradually build up inside the injector body and around the nozzle. Short trips, low-quality fuel, excessive idling, and infrequent maintenance accelerate this process. As deposits accumulate, the injector's spray pattern begins to distort. Instead of a fine mist, fuel may stream unevenly or drip. Combustion becomes incomplete. The engine control unit attempts to compensate by adjusting fuel trims, but there is a limit to how much correction is possible. This is when symptoms appear. Idle becomes rough. Throttle response feels delayed, acceleration hesitates, fuel economy drops. In some cases, misfires begin to occur, especially under load or at idle. If left unaddressed, injector imbalance can stress catalytic converters and trigger fault codes that point to problems far more expensive than the injectors themselves. When cleaning works and when it doesn't. Cleaning fuel injectors works only when the injectors are mechanically and electrically sound. Cleaning removes deposits. It does not repair worn internal components, damaged coils, or physically failed injectors. If an injector has an internal electrical failure, a cracked body, or is mechanically stuck, cleaning will not restore it. Persistent cylinder-specific misfire codes that return immediately after cleaning often indicate injector failure rather than contamination. However, when injectors are restricted by carbon or varnish buildup, cleaning can dramatically restore performance. So let's begin with method 1, fuel injector cleaner added to the gas tank. This is the most common injector cleaning method, and when used correctly, it has a place. Fuel injector cleaner added to the gas tank is best suited for light contamination and preventative maintenance. When a cleaner is mixed with fuel, it travels through the entire fuel system, including the injectors. As the engine runs, the cleaner helps dissolve soft deposits and slows the formation of new buildup. This method works gradually and relies on repeated exposure over time rather than immediate results. For engines that show mild symptoms, such as slightly reduced fuel economy or minor hesitation, this method can be effective. It is especially useful when injector contamination is just beginning and has not yet caused noticeable drivability issues. However, this method has limits. Tank additives are diluted by gasoline, which reduces their cleaning strength. They cannot remove hardened deposits or correct injector imbalance once symptoms become pronounced. When a check engine light has been on for an extended period, or when misfires and rough idle are present, tank additives alone are rarely enough. Method 2. Pressurized fuel rail. Injector cleaning. Pressurized injector cleaning is a major step up from tank additives. This method bypasses the fuel tank entirely and delivers a concentrated cleaning solution directly through the injectors under controlled pressure. The vehicle's fuel pump is temporarily disabled, and a pressurized cleaning canister is connected to the fuel rail. The engine runs exclusively on the cleaning solution rather than gasoline. Because the cleaner is not diluted, it is far more effective at breaking down deposits inside the injectors. This method is particularly effective for engines experiencing rough idle, hesitation, or reduced power caused by injector restriction. In many cases, improvements are noticeable immediately after the cleaning process is completed. The most effective non-removal method: pulse-style concentrated injector cleaning. The most effective injector cleaning method short of removing the injectors entirely is pulse-style cleaning under pressure. This is the method used by professional shops when standard cleaning fails, and it is rarely explained in detail. Injectors clog internally around the pintle and valve seat. These deposits harden and resist steady solvent flow. What breaks them loose is the rapid opening and closing of the injector, while a strong cleaning solution is present. Pulse-style cleaning mimics real injector operation. The injectors are repeatedly actuated while pressurized cleaner flows through them. This rapid cycling disrupts deposits far more effectively than continuous flow. How to know when cleaning is not enough. There are situations where injector cleaning will not solve the problem. If misfire codes return immediately after cleaning and relearn procedures, the injector may be mechanically or electrically faulty. Strong fuel odors, fuel leaking into a cylinder, or injector-specific electrical fault codes indicate injector failure rather than contamination. In these cases, removal for ultrasonic cleaning or replacement is required. What real improvement looks like after proper cleaning. When injector cleaning is successful, changes are noticeable. Idle smoothness improves. Throttle response becomes sharper. Acceleration feels more consistent. Cold starts stabilize. Fuel economy often increases gradually over the following drive cycles, preventing injector problems from returning. Injector deposits form over time, but proper maintenance slows the process dramatically. Using quality fuel with adequate detergent levels, avoiding excessive short trips, and addressing ignition and air filtration issues all reduce injector stress. Injectors compensate for other engine problems. Worn spark plugs, dirty air filters, and vacuum leaks all force injectors to work harder. Maintaining the engine as a system reduces the likelihood of future injector contamination. Preventative cleaning at appropriate intervals helps maintain injector performance and avoids the need for aggressive intervention later. Using the correct method at the correct time prevents unnecessary injector replacement, saves money, and restores engine performance without disassembly. When combined with proper ECU relearn and maintenance habits, injector cleaning becomes a powerful diagnostic and repair tool rather than a guessing game.